Welcome to this fascinating exploration of the animal kingdom's most lethal creatures. In this video, we're diving into the 5 most poisonous animals on Earth. We'll cover how they deliver their venom, what happens to their victims, and some cases of miraculous survival. Up first is the box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp, which holds the title of the most venomous marine animal. Native to the coastal waters of Australia and the Indo-Pacific, this nearly invisible creature packs enough venom to kill a person in minutes. Its tentacles contain millions of stinging cells called nematocysts, which inject venom upon contact. It has an extremely high level of poison. A single sting can be fatal within minutes if untreated. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Victims experience excruciating pain, cardiac arrest, paralysis, and sometimes death. Survivors may have scarring and long-term psychological trauma from the intense pain. Australian teenager Rachel Shardlow survived a box jellyfish sting in 2010. Despite being unconscious and on the brink of death when pulled from the water, she recovered after being rushed to medical care. Her recovery was considered miraculous, but she suffered some memory loss due to the ordeal. Next up is the Inland Taipan, often called the fierce snake, which has the most toxic venom of any land snake. Found in Australia's arid regions, this snake can deliver venom potent enough to kill 100 adult humans in one bite. Luckily, it's reclusive and rarely encountered by people. Its venom is incredibly potent and contains neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins that cause paralysis and internal bleeding. The venom leads to rapid muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, and organ damage. Without medical treatment, death can occur within 30 minutes to an hour. In 2012, a snake handler in Queensland, Australia, was bitten by an inland taipan. Thanks to immediate treatment with antivenom, he survived the bite, although he suffered intense pain and swelling for days after the incident. We then have the brightly colored golden poison dart frog found in the rainforests of Colombia. This little creature carries enough toxin to kill up to 10 grown men. The toxins, called batrachotoxins, are not injected but are secreted through the skin, making them deadly to anyone who touches or ingests them. It has an extremely high level of poison, and 1 milligram of its toxin is enough to kill a human. The toxins interfere with nerve signals, causing heart failure, paralysis, and death. Animals and predators exposed to the frog's toxins usually die quickly. While there are no direct human survivor stories from golden poison dart frog poisonings, some indigenous groups in South America have developed techniques to safely handle these frogs, using their toxins to coat blow darts for hunting. However, once the toxin enters the bloodstream, it is nearly impossible to survive without immediate medical intervention. Let's not forget the world's most venomous fish, the stonefish, which is a master of camouflage, blending into the ocean floor. Stepping on one of its venomous dorsal spines can result in excruciating pain, tissue necrosis, and potentially death if left untreated. The level of poison is high, and the venom contains potent neurotoxins and cytotoxins. Victims suffer from intense pain, swelling, tissue damage, and sometimes paralysis. Severe cases can lead to heart failure or amputation due to tissue necrosis. In 2018, Australian diver Jason McDonald survived a stonefish sting after stepping on one while wading in shallow water. He received immediate first aid, which included immersing the wound in hot water and receiving antivenom. Though he experienced severe pain and swelling for weeks, he eventually made a full recovery. And finally, we have the blue-ringed octopus. This small but deadly octopus is found in tide pools and coral reefs across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin that can paralyze a human within minutes. The level of poison in this creature is extremely high. 1 bite can kill an adult human within minutes, and there's no known antidote for the venom. Symptoms include muscle numbness, nausea, respiratory failure, and total paralysis. Victims often die from suffocation if they do not receive immediate medical care. In 2010, Australian mother Melissa McCall survived a blue-ringed octopus bite while swimming with her children. She experienced total body paralysis and was unable to speak or move, but her life was saved thanks to fast-acting paramedics who provided artificial respiration until she could breathe on her own. She made a full recovery. These are just a few examples of the deadliest creatures in the world, where survival often hinges on immediate medical treatment. While these animals are deadly, they play important roles in their ecosystems, reminding us of the delicate balance in nature. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world's most fascinating creatures.